Escape the hustle of everyday life and embark on a journey to the Serpent's Peak, the Nag Tibba Trek. A quick and easy getaway nestled in the lap of the Himalayas. Perfect for beginners and weekend adventurers, the Nag Tibba Trek is a two-day experience that combines serene landscapes with thrilling Himalayan vistas. The best time to explore this trek is between October and March, when the snow adds an extra layer of magic to the scenery. Located near Dehradun, Nag Tibba is also accessible from Himachalpardesh, making it a popular choice for trekkers from all over North India. After a day of trekking through lush forests and open meadows, unwind at your campsite under a blanket of stars. The trek is short but packed with unforgettable moments. At the summit, you'll be rewarded with mesmerizing views of some of the tallest Himalayan peaks. It's a moment that stays etched in your heart forever. Whether you're a seasoned trekker or a first-timer, Nag Tibba offers an experience that's both rejuvenating and inspiring. Pack your bags, lace up your boots, and let Nag Tibba take you on a journey of adventure, beauty, and tranquility. Ready to explore the Serpent's Peak? Plan your Nag Tibba adventure today.